Hey gang, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter at Amy Harber, Instagram Amy D Harber, or YouTube, youtube.com/AmerCat. Okay, I'm starting to make my own hashtags now. So this is like Memory Monday. My Monday motivation is to review and unbox all these bags and boxes that I've left sitting around for like 8 months. So this is the Ipsy May bag. The theme was Summer Friday. It's supposed to be all these summery fun things about like eating ice cream on Sundays and enjoying your weekends during the summer. So let's get into the products and check them out. So hey, again, unbagging the May 2017 Ipsy bag. It says there are 93 days, 15 hours, and 47 minutes of summer. Did I soak them all up? Quite possibly, including a move from Los Angeles to Chicago. So this bag is all inspired by like pool floats and frozen treats. It's got like ice cream and popsicles on it. And guess what? It's water resistant too. So you can have your fun in the sun and not worry about getting your makeup wet. So I got all the cool products in here. Let's see what's in here. So we have the Lord & Berry Nude Lip Liner. So it'll work well with all those nude lipsticks, maybe some of those mauve-y ones. It's pretty much a decent shade of lip liner. It's got a sharp point on it. Oh, and it's water resistant. So enjoy that. Then we have the City Color Bold Brow. It's in medium. It's got, if I can get it open, maybe not. How do I open it? Oh, well, blonde moment. Maybe I should open it from the right thing. It's got a little mini brush here so that you can angle and you can make your custom shade. Like if you're kind of in between those two colors, just mix them together. It's all good. Then we have the Royal and Langnickel Precision Angled Brush. You can use it to contour, you can use it on the eyes, you could probably even use it on for foundation or highlighter. It's pretty much a multi-purpose brush, and it's 100% vegan, which it might be vegan, but I'm not, so I'm probably going to be eating a cheeseburger. Then we have the Urban Decay Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Highlighter. It's in champagne, and you know me, I love champagne. So we'll just use the angled brush here. Little highlighter there. Oh, and there we go. I mean, it's called Sin, is the name of the color. I'm a little annoyed that it doesn't have a container, so it's just going to float around aimlessly in my makeup container, but I'll find a home for it somewhere. And then finally, if I can find it in the bag, we have the Vasanti Brighten Up, and this is a mouthful, Enzymatic Exfoliating Face Rejuvenator Cleanser. That's a tongue twister mouthful, and it's enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. Now, if you're wondering what microcrystals are, they are crystals as opposed to the beads, which don't dissolve and then end up as pollution in our oceans, our lakes, our rivers, pretty much any body of water once you rinse it off your face and send it on its merry way. So this has microcrystals, which means it's much cooler for the environment. Anyway, those are the products. This is the cool bag. This is where to find me. Follow me. And I will see you later. Bye.